first copy this twice, Ctrl J, and then right click first one, convert to smart object, and then convert the second picture to smart object, and then go back to the first picture, go direct into filter, then go to other, this one I pass, then you click that, click OK. Then while you're still layer 1 here, go to normal here and put it to linear light, this one, and then come to the second picture. You already convert this thing, so we go direct into filter, and then we come to blur, then come to Gaussian blur, click that, and then from there we can add a little bit. I think it's okay like that. Then click OK. Now we are going to select these two pictures like this, and then Ctrl G to put them in the group, and then while you're on the group 1, come to mask here, this part, and then click that. Then from there go direct into image, and then adjustment, come to invert. From there now you can see the picture is there. And then the next move, we are going to press B or come here to brush tools, and then from there adjust something here on the opacity, make it like 63 or 50, and then come start smearing in here, and then okay, good, I think we are alright. So I'm just simply showing you how to do that. Okay, alright, good. I think now we're okay, so we can erase that. Okay, and then some part here, so you just that one, come down, do layer here and here, just like that. Okay, I think right there we are almost done. Okay, just simple as that. After you finish, you finish making this part blur, and then right, so you can also still increase the side of the brush. Okay, now Ctrl Z, then we try to fit on the screen. Now you can see, let me show you the difference. That one and this one are two different. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.